All right, welcome to another episode from the Chart Reader. So I'm gonna make a video on BATL, Battanian Oil, and I will be honest, today was a hectic trading day for me. I've been waking up early with my wife. We've been trying to make this a little bit of a routine, and woof, I had the lines. I just didn't have a plan, and it made for such a weird trading day. All right, but I have actually sold right now. I'm not sure if this is gonna go up or down after hours, and it was so weird selling. But I had to take a step back. I need a little bit more info, and I'm telling you, I would love to re-enter this when appropriate. All right, so look, normally I look at the daily and the weekly on my videos, but I am gonna show a couple of the lower time frames just a little bit more on this one because again, all I really have are four doji candles, and that by no means is enough information to really do anything educated on this video, right? So I'm gonna come to the hourly first, okay, and I'm gonna zoom out to those last 3 days, right? The last 4 days again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts on the 27th, right? So on the hourly, this is the 27th, and each of these is one of those hourly candles, right? So look, the stock has essentially gapped up and gone horizontal, gapped up and gone horizontal, gapped up and gone horizontal. Today we gapped down, and honestly, I thought we were going to stay horizontal. I should have used this line as the support it was, but this caught me. And yeah, I wasn't ready for it to go up, and I found myself kind of chasing the stock. Knock on wood, that was easy to chase. And I think it very quickly could have turned ugly on me, but I chased and did okay, and a lot of it was this 1640 line. It actually was, and if you go back to the last video, this line was there, right? I didn't draw this in between, and I drew those lines just so that you can see it from here. There's basically a couple tops going on right here, a couple tops going on, so that was that line. And then there was a couple bottoms going on right here, so that was that line. The next line up would have been 19-ish. It's basically where we're sitting right now, too, actually. I'll just draw that right there. Yeah, it looks like it's probably about there, give or take, right? So that's basically that 1, 2, 3. Again, I was just living with this 1, 2 right here, right? So that was the hourly. That was the best thing I could say on the hourly. So what are we looking at on this hourly though, right? We still haven't lost this 20 moving average. And you hear me say it all the time, right? Good things happen over the 8 and the 20. We really can't lose this point right here. Otherwise, we're basically going to come back down to those two lines that we originally had, right? And I mean, it's almost to the penny right in between those two lines. So that's actually a pretty solid line right there, right? When we come into the 15-minute, all right, and this is only today. Now we're now talking about just today's trading. So again, it gapped down. This 15-minute became a battle with this 50 moving average. That's really what I was looking at. And there was a very, I'm going to zoom out even more now. We're going to come back to this 27th, okay? You can see the white volume line goes up, white volume line goes up, white volume line goes up. This is now actually where the volume line has started to do a little bit of a teeter. And yeah, it felt like as this thing failed, it was starting to become game over. And hey, it does look like it's dropping after hours. So far it's been a good sell. But yeah, I will tell you, this one was hard to sell going into the end of the day because honestly, crazy things can happen, right? And it's tough. It really is. But what am I basically looking for at this point? So again, we're back at the daily. Honestly, I'm expecting this to come back down to 1630. Okay, that's where we opened on today's red candle, give or take. We just went up, right? I don't know if we're gonna lose this and head down. I think what I'm basically, I think I'm thinking as I'm talking. What I'm probably waiting for is the 8 moving average to catch up. And I don't know the lines behind this math. What I try to generally do is follow the slope, give or take, right? It feels like either around here at this 13 something, or maybe just at the top of this doji right here, maybe around 11, 1180, 12. I'm waiting for the 8 moving average to catch the stock and either help me bounce back up, and that's where I'll attack, or oh my gosh, we're about to lose the 8, and sad crazy things will happen, right? So um, yeah, it's all about the news right now. There was a headline yesterday that Trump said he was gonna like use the Navy to guide ships through and get their oil and stuff, right? So I think it kind of does make sense that it dropped today because of, hey, there might be more supply of oil than we were expecting, right? But yeah, at this point, and again, this is the saddest thing to say, right? It like breaks my heart saying this, but we're basically waiting for some real bad stuff to happen in Iran, and that should drive some oil stuff, right? I don't know if they're gonna like bomb a ship. I don't know if they're gonna close another oil this or another strait of that. Like, I don't know what that news that we're looking for is, right? But this is going to need some bad news to really rush it up. Or I think we're waiting for the 8 moving average to catch this thing and let the technicals do their thing, right? Because, hey, so far, this thing is actually bouncing on the 8 pretty well, right? So let's see. Keep in mind, we've been over the 8 before and then lost it quickly. And it came to the 20, and a lot of it was the 20 holding it. So if we start to lose some of these, low teen numbers, the 20 moving average is at a really low place. And that would be a scary drop, right? Again, for now, we're over the 8 and you can't think under it, but keep those in your back pocket, all right? Hey, look, just because I sell does not mean you should, right? Like, believe me, like that's just I'm just a dude, right? But yeah, I'm waiting on the sidelines right now, all right? Let me know your thoughts, let me know your opinions, even if you disagree. Oh, I appreciate you so much.